Out the way, X4Ts, your bigger brother's just turned up and he's better than you in every way. Plus, they can charge my phone wirelessly? Let's check them out. Seems like only yesterday I went out, bought me some X4T true wireless earbuds, made a video, got a lot of views, got a few subscribers, and thank you for that. Speaking of which, if you liked the video, feel free to leave that thumbs up. Maybe subscribe, maybe don't, you know, it's up to you. Now the X4T is following the same sort of suit as the previous models. Cheapest chips at around 30 squids on Amazon or Best Buy right now, and there's a whole lot of colours that you can choose from. Black, whites, reds, purples. I think there's even a multicoloured one on there. Actually, I don't know if there's a multicoloured one on there. Retailing in at about 30 quid. I mean, you can't really get much better when it comes to true wireless earbuds on the price. In the box, you get your standard stuff. Your charging cable, your standard set of earlugs so that you can match and choose whichever size you need to fit your particular ear. There's 2 ears, Big G, there's 2 ears. But then the instruction manual, standard, is actually pretty useful. Gives you everything you need to know about the earbuds, how to turn them on, how to turn them off, the different functionalities that you get, and even how to use this pretty unique case. You can see straight away that this case is not messing around. Probably twice the size when compared to the X4T case, but there is a reason for this increased size. Within the case is a 5,200 milliamp hour battery that not only charges your earbuds, but also can charge your phone wirelessly or other devices via a USB power port. TWS, you have surpassed yourself. In true TWS style, the case is made of a pretty cheapish looking plastic, I think it's fair to say. Externally, there's no ports whatsoever. You don't have your micro USB port. On the outside of this case, you've only got really 2 features that you can see. You've got your 4 LED lights, which shows the battery capacity left within the case at a given time. And then this rubber circular ring, which is designed to hold your phone when you lay it down to wirelessly charge. On the top, you've got the lid, which you can flick open and stays attached to the main body of the case. And within, you've got your true wireless earbuds there, charging away. And then you've also got your USB-A power outlet port so that you can charge any device that your heart desires. You've also got a power button so that you can switch the case on and off, and that switches between 2 different modes. A quick press of this button turns on the case to start charging wirelessly. A press and a hold will start charging up the earbuds. But what about the wireless charging, Big G? Does it work? I can tell you, random internet viewer, yes it does, and it works particularly well. There have been occasions where I've had to fiddle around to find the exact sweet spot to get the phone charging, but it does actually work, and the charging is pretty quick. I mean, it's not going to be as quick as, say, hooking it up via a wire to a computer or a power output, but it does actually give the phone charge quite rapidly. And what about charging the phone wirelessly whilst charging another device via the USB output? Absolutely, you can do that. You can charge your phone wirelessly and charge a tablet or a camera or whatever powered device your heart desires via the outlet. Now remember, it is only a 5,200 milliamp hour battery, so it's not going to last you forever. You may have to manage the juice between the 2 devices, but it can be done. Knock yourself out, go for it. Now what about the earbuds, Big G? Tell me about those. Hang fire, I got you covered. Now when it comes to the size of the earbuds, TWS have crammed a lot into these, and because of that, they've had to increase the size of these things just by a smidge. When comparing them to the X4Ts, you can just see they're a little bit deeper and stick out of the ear just a little bit more. Comes with a CSR Bluetooth chip, pumping out Bluetooth 4.2, not the Bluetooth 5 we're so hoping comes as standard soon, but for 30 quid, 4.2 is probably as good as you're gonna get. Manage those expectations. Each earbud have around 85 milliamp hour batteries, giving you about 6 to 7 hours worth of playtime if you're listening to music, or 4 to 5 hours when you're making a call, talking to someone on the phone. Comes with CVC 6.0 noise cancelling software, enables your voice to be heard a little bit clearer on phone calls, and buffers out a little bit of sound when you're listening to your favourite tunes, or playing your favourite games, or listening to your favourite YouTuber For those of you who are interested, you can listen to these things in mono if you wanted, just one earbud at a time, or you of course have standard use in stereo and use both of them at the same time. Up to you. Now with the X2Ts and the X3Ts, when it came to streaming media, there was a little bit of a lag. 5 milliseconds or so, but a noticeable stay. But with these, there's no lag whatsoever. TWS seem to have ironed out the kinks when it comes to the lag, and these are sounding pretty damn good. They've managed to cram in an 8mm driver, which has changed the sound profile of these X4Ts when compared to the X3Ts quite dramatically. These things are bassy, serious low tones coming out here, some real rumble, some real meat, some When it comes to functionality, they've kept it the same as with the X3Ts. Touch sensitive controls on each of the earbuds, the right one controlling the skip track function, double press for skipping forward, triple press to skip it back, and then you've got the left one which controls the volume. Double press, turning the volume up, triple press, turning the volume down. And I love they've kept these touch sensitive controls. It means you don't have to press a button and push the earbuds into your ears as you did with the X2Ts. These things are just a little touch, just caress them, just caress them. That's all you need. In the week that I've had them, I've had no issues with drop of connectivity from my phone or between the earbuds. Clean and crisp. I mean, I have my phone by my side pretty much all the time. I haven't checked to see how far away you can walk away from them. But if you've got your phone in your pocket and you're listening to some tunes, chances are you're not going to have any dropouts, which was a real issue with the X2Ts and the X3Ts. Well, now what about a call? Should we make a call, see if this CVC 6.0 makes my voice just that little bit clearer? Maybe with the enhanced microphone that these have, my mother may be able to hear me. I don't know. Let's check it out. Hello? You had love, how you doing? You did. Yeah, I'm just recording a video. Wanted to see how my new earbuds sound. How do I sound? It's as clear as any other time. And put a wick in that. That's actually quite minging. Well, there you go. CVC 6.0 seems to work. Clear as talking into the phone, apparently. What more do you need? So there you have it. The X4Ts. Basically the X3Ts on steroids. They can charge your phone wirelessly. 30 quid. Amazing.